If you're running ads in 2026 and you're still paying UGC creators $200 a video, waiting 2 weeks for revisions, and praying that it actually converts, stop. There is a tool called CreateUGC that builds ultra-realistic, scroll-stopping UGC ads from a product link in under 5 minutes. No filming, no creators, no editing. Let me walk you through exactly how to make one. What's CreateUGC? CreateUGC is an AI UGC video generator built by the same e-commerce team behind one of the top global Shopify partner tools. That matters because this wasn't built by someone who's never run a Facebook ad. It was built by people who actually know what converts. The pitch is simple. You paste the product link, the AI writes the script, you pick an avatar, and you get back a UGC-style video that looks like a real creator filmed it in their kitchen. The whole thing takes about 5 minutes end-to-end, and you can build 10 variations in the time it would take a freelancer to reply to your DMs. The big unlock here is creative volume. Most people don't actually struggle with running ads. They struggle with making enough good creatives to test. CreateUGC fixes that bottleneck. Here's how it works. When you log in, you land on the dashboard. This is where every video you generate lives. If I head over to the My Videos page, you can see I've got mine sorted into tabs at the top. All, completed, generating, drafted, and failed. So nothing ever gets lost. On the left sidebar, you've got the main navigation. My videos, inspiration videos, avatar and script, and under assets, avatars, images, and voices. Before we jump into building, let me quickly show you the inspiration videos section because it's actually really useful. Here you've got a library of real UGC style ad examples, broken down by platform. It's a great place to get a feel for what's working before you start building your own. Definitely worth a browse. By the way, you do get a free trial that includes 3 videos with no card required. And if you use the link in the description, you'll also get 20% off any paid plan. So you can follow along with this tutorial without spending $1. Now let's actually build an ad. I'm going to click Create New Video. That gives me 3 options right away: product reaction, product in hand, and avatar and script. I'll choose product in hand. That's the one where the avatar literally holds your product on camera. First, we need to choose the video type. This is where it gets really good. You've got 4 options: product in hand, standard model, the avatar holds your product on camera. Product in hand with VO3, same idea but using Google's VO3 model for higher fidelity, maximum 8 seconds. Then we have product in hand with clinch 3, same again using the clinch model, maximum 10 seconds. And finally, we have product in hand with Seedance 2, the newest option, up to 15 seconds. I want to create an ad for a water bottle, and I want the avatar physically holding it. So I'm going with product in hand with Seedance 2 for the best quality and longest clip. Then I hit continue. Now I've got 2 options at the top: provide product link or add product manually. I'll keep it on the default link option because pulling product details automatically saves a ton of time. I'll paste in an Amazon link for a water bottle, classic e-commerce product. CreateUGC supports links from Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, and a bunch of other suppliers. So wherever you're sourcing, you're covered. If you want to test the tool first, there are also a few sample products right there to try. Here we need to add media and product details. CreateUGC has already autofilled the product name field and written a full product description based on the listing. I'll glance through it to make sure nothing's wrong and tweak any wording I want the avatar to use. Below that is the asset section, which pulled every product image from the listing into a grid. I'm just going to click the cleanest hero shot, the one where the product is on a plain background. I'll click next. Now I'm on video settings. Here there are 4 things we can set: platform, aspect ratio, language, and duration. As for the platform, I'll keep it on general, but you can pick a specific social platform from the icons next to it. As for the aspect ratio, 9:16 for vertical and 16:9 for horizontal. For TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, 9:16 is the move. As for the language, English is selected by default, but the drop-down has a long list of options. And as for the duration, we have 2 options: 15 seconds and 8 seconds. For a UGC ad, 15 is usually the sweet spot. You want the hook to land before anyone has time to scroll. Set those and click next. Here is where you can choose your avatar. Because I picked product in hand earlier, I want avatars that have actually been recorded holding products. Pick a setting that matches your product. A water bottle reads more naturally with a kitchen or living room avatar than someone in a corporate office. Use the gender and ethnicity filters at the top to narrow it down and match your avatar to your audience. Selling a kitchen gadget to 30-something moms? Don't pick a 19-year-old guy in a hoodie. Match the energy. I'll pick this avatar, and it takes me to the next step. That brings up the voices section underneath. CreateUGC suggests a default voice for each avatar. You can hit play to preview the sample, and if it doesn't fit, scroll through all voices and pick a different one. Filter by male or female, preview a few, and pick whatever matches the script's tone. Then I click next. Quick note, if you ever upload a custom avatar image for the Veo 3 model, don't use a photo of a celebrity or anyone famous. Google's safety filter will reject it. Real looking, generic faces only. This is where you can choose and edit your script. And honestly, this is where most people overthink it. CreateUGC automatically generates script angles for your product. Funny, selling, and professional. Each one is generated based on your product, and they are written with built-in pause markers. Those tell the avatar where to take a breath, which is the small thing that makes the delivery feel human instead of robotic. I'll click through all 3 tabs to see them. The funny one has a sharp hook, and a hook is doing 80% of the work in the first 3 seconds of any UGC ad. So I'll go with that. You can edit any of these directly in the text box. If you want to add another natural pause, there is an insert pause button right under the editor that drops a pause marker wherever your cursor is. Now I click next. On the last screen, you just hit the generate button, and a few minutes later, the video shows up under completed in my videos. Click the thumbnail, and here it is.
Still sipping lukewarm coffee from that leaky bottle? The Yeti Rambler keeps your drinks cold or hot, leak-free, and ready to chug. Be the hydration hero your friends envy. Grab yours now.
Look at this. She's holding the bottle, delivering my funny script with natural pauses. The lip sync is clean, the lighting actually looks like a real living room. Here is where CreateUGC goes from cool to actually useful for your business. Once the video is ready, I've got the option to edit it directly inside CreateUGC. I don't need to take it out into Premiere or CapCut for basic touch-ups. I'll click edit on the finished video and the editor opens up. From here, I can add text overlays right on top of the video. Useful for captions, hook text, or a CTA at the end. I can also upload my own assets if I want to bring in a logo, a product cutout, or a B-roll clip I shot myself. Once everything is where I want it, I drag each element into the timeline at the bottom, line it up with the part of the video I want it to appear on, and that's basically the edit. When it's looking right, I click render video, and CreateUGC bakes everything together into the final file. This is the part that surprised me the most. Most AI video tools hand you a raw clip and leave you to figure out the rest. CreateUGC actually lets you finish the ad inside the same tool you started in. Now I want to show you one more feature in the asset section, something really powerful that a lot of people miss. The images tool on the left sidebar. This is where Nano Banana Pro comes in. I'll click create new asset and you'll see 2 options, text to image and image to image. I'll pick text to image, write a quick prompt, something like a water bottle sitting on a wooden table in warm morning light, and hit generate. Just like that, you've got a professional grade marketing photo without a photographer. You can drop this straight into your ad. This is a massive unlock if you don't have clean product shots or want to create lifestyle imagery on the fly. That's CreateUGC. Honestly, it's one of those tools that quietly rewires how you think about ad creative. You stop budgeting for creators and start budgeting for volume. Click the link in the description to start your trial today and get 20% off any plan. 3 free videos, no credit card required. So you can build your first UGC style ad in minutes and see if it lands for your product.